problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Ka Joint Directorate Quality Committee JDQC hapo jong ka Directorate of Health Services MIMCH DME hakasi balang jong ka tayo kalapan kuburam yikijaka ajing sumar kiban rilom khasi ba jantia kibalayo yaka National Quality Assurance Standards NQAS but laksha certification haka conference hall jong ka Directorate of Health Services.
Lapan long ya kini kejing elang da kejing temu ban penselur kijaka ajing sumar kibran kaleng kejala megalaya bagian trish tom banyo kekedan ajing sumar hagari. Kiladan baro supply tli ki Health and Wellness Center narilom khasi jantia kiblayo ya ka National Quality Assurance Standard NQAS certification kabalong umau jam jog kejing jog kejala hakamna kejing sumar ke bapaka. Kini kijaka ajing sumar kiblayo ya ka NQAS but ka PMJAY Bronze Quality Certification kin sayo agajing kuburam agajing elang kamanlong hatura. Ka Ganesh Das Hospital kala syapun kuburam halo agajing yo ka Bronze Certification hapo ka PMJAY baklayo ru ya ka Laksha Certification halo agajing ajing sumar baban put kilong kemie kibapun kun kibapun I ya agajing scam jing mot ka ban agajing shingan kilong pang agajing sumar kilong kemie kiba armet bat agajing don ka kerdan hakaban pen ka kelung. Lor kanila pensyairu ikajing terang juga tenak kakot kakya benkenjo syaka sanpo nak sispa jong ke NQAS certification. Habarok kijaka ajing sumar gipat ba. Hapo uno opera mentaka senam. Bat sispa nak sispa apo jong nai no opera ka senam arhajar apun rio kunya rengkat lang bat ka National Health Quality Goals. Hagani kajing lang layo ikajing keren na ke DHSMI Dr. JS Momin, DHS MCH and FW Dr. NE Karsono, DHS MENR Dr. L. Mumlong, nangta Dr. Pian Khan badai Additional Director Jang Health Services DME kam Chairman ka JDQC. Kinong kran na kajingelang kila banjor kajing kongsan bandan na kakerdan na kajaka sumar kabenta banajing sumar kipat ba.